Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to download Facebook on your Android phone. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Android phone. Now over here search for this Play Store on your Android phone. After that, tap on this. Then after that you will find this interface. Now tap on this search and over here search for Facebook. And then tap on this search. Over here you can see here is Facebook from Meta platforms. Just tap on install and after that you can see our download is started. On this current version you can see it's 63.61 MB. This may vary according to the versions. Now you can see my download is completed. As soon as the download is completed, it will be automatically installed on our phone. And you can see we have successfully downloaded this Facebook on our Android phone. So in this way, we can download Facebook on our Android phone. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.